Welcome people to the channel. Let's dive into some key short volume data for January 14th, 2025, which can give us a sense of market sentiment around certain stocks. Let's start with ERNA. With a total volume of over 186 million shares traded, short sales accounted for 50.43% of that. This suggests significant short interest, and investors might be betting on a potential drop in its price. Next up is RGTI, a total of 75 million shares traded with short sales making up 41.24% of the action. This is still quite high, so we're looking at some strong bearish sentiment here too. Now let's take a look at NVDA, where short volume reached 61.22%, the highest on this list. It had 41 million shares traded on January 14th, so if you're watching this stock, it's definitely a volatile one. NVDA, one of the biggest players here, had over 41 million shares traded, with 42.84% of that being short volume. Despite the massive trading volume, the short interest is relatively moderate. Let's run through a few more quick highlights. GTC has short interest at 51.92% of its total 40 million shares traded. AIFF comes in at 57.05%, suggesting that bearish sentiment is strong in this stock as well. Looking at TSLA, with 26 million shares traded and short volume at 56.24%. Despite the usual attention around Tesla, there seems to be a significant amount of short activity. So what does all this mean for investors? High short volume can indicate that traders are expecting a price drop, but it can also set the stage for a potential short squeeze if the stock doesn't fall as expected. Always make sure to do your research and stay updated. That's a wrap for today's stock market analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts on these stocks. Are you watching any of these? Let me know. See you in the next video.